back to our makeup channel. So today, before I start this video, I want to give a shout out to Crafty Jazzy. Thank you so much for commenting on one of my videos. If you guys want to be in the next shout out, just don't forget to leave your comment down below. I love reading you guys' comments. So today I bring to you guys this very soft, cute look. I did this look for Valentine's Day because it's coming up, and I know I always suck at doing holiday makeup, so I really wanted to do this makeup tutorial for you guys so you guys could have it in time, especially if you guys have a Valentine out there, or you guys are going on a romantic date, or I don't know what you guys are celebrating. But I hope you guys like this very soft makeup tutorial for you guys that I created today, and let's just get right onto the video.
So the first product I'm going to be taking is the Benefit POREFESSIONAL, and I did go ahead and zoom into my face so you guys can see where my pores and all my imperfections are at. So here I'm just rubbing the primer into my face. I really want to close those pores and make it seem like I am very flawless. So just really rub the product into your face. Then I'm gonna be taking two foundations. I'm gonna be taking the MAC foundation in NC30 and the Too Faced foundation in Sand. I really love this combo right here. I feel like it gives me kind of a natural feel to it, if that makes any sense. I also go an extra step and rub the foundation in with a stippling brush first, and then I blend it out with my beauty blender. I do this because I feel like this just gives you a more skin-like texture finish to your skin. I really love that, especially when I'm trying to look like natural and soft and cute and girly. I just feel that the more time you take to apply your foundation, the better it comes out, the smoother it comes out, the younger you look, the more cuter you look. It's just really take your time in this step because it honestly pays off at the end. So as you can see here, I'm just blending, trying not to miss any spot. Especially I would say blend in your smile lines and under your eyes, because I feel like those are the ones that end up like wrinkling the most. So yeah, that is what I'm doing here. Then I'm going to be taking the concealer, and this is by MAC. It is the Pro Longwear concealer and the color NC25. I love this concealer. I feel like it's not heavy at all. It does not cake up throughout the day. I just love how it looks, and it really brightens up my under area. I do not have dark circle eyes, so I wouldn't know to advise you to use it or not if your under eye circle area is darker than mine. I really don't need that much coverage under there, so I try to keep it really light, and I feel like this concealer really helps out. It just makes it look really soft and part of your skin. So that is what I'm doing here, just blending it out in the areas that you normally apply concealer. Then I'm going to be taking my Mercier translucent powder, which everybody loves. I love, it's my favorita, and I did get this one with this little puff thingy, and I tried it out and I feel like it's so good. But honestly, to be honest, right now I do prefer applying it with the beauty blender, and I lately been applying my Mercier translucent powder all over my face using the beauty blender. But since I had the little puff, I wanted to try it out and be Patrick Star, you know, I'm having my little moment. And it did work fabulous. I just feel like the puff is so big for my face. So yeah, I kind of advise you to apply it however you feel comfortable. Here I'm taking the Graveyard Girl palette, and obviously guys, I love the bronzer in here. It's my favorite. It goes really good with my skin. I do apply it and then blend it out because sometimes I could go heavy on the bronzer and we are trying to look natural AF, so I did blend it out. Then I'm taking this blush palette by Tarte, which honestly has been my favorite. I do like mixing those two colors into my cheeks, and it just looks really natural. It actually looks like I'm blushing. Here I'm taking the Benefit Cheek Parade palette, and I'm just using the Hoola bronzer to contour. It is a little bit more cool tone on my skin tone, so I really like it to contour. I'm kind of going heavy at it, but honestly I did blend everything out and it didn't look like, you know, it looked natural to me. Here I am carving it out. I did want to have kind of still the illusion that I had some cheekbone structure, because honestly guys, my face is really rounded, and if I don't do this process I literally look like a potato. So I ain't trying to look like a potato if I'm going on a date, you know what I'm saying? So just putting it out there. Here I am gonna bake under the eye. I don't know why I did this. I wanted to try it out. I seen so many people do it and I was like, you know what, I've never done this. It's like the opposite of contouring your nose, because I really don't not know how to contour my nose. Nose contouring is so hard. I promise this year I'll learn, but so far this trick honestly has helped me out. I have tried it I think like 3 times already, and I really liked how it looks. Then of course you do have to let it bake a little bit, so I did that, and now I'm just starting with my eyes. Here I'm showing you how to achieve a very natural eyebrow look. This is not the eyebrow look I go for every day, because honestly I like drama. I really like dramatic eyebrows, so here I really try to like tone it down, especially because I wanted this look to be really soft and cute and natural looking, so I didn't really want my eyebrows to be so bold. So that is what I'm doing here, lightly brushing it out, filling it in. I am going to be using concealer under my eyebrows and also on the top, but this is just to give it a little bit more definition. I feel like my hairs at the end just go wild out. In the front I have no problem, but on the end it's just like, what is going on? So here you guys see me filling in my eyebrows a little bit, really soft. Take your time. I feel like the more you take your time, the better you are at controlling the product that you grab onto your brush, especially if you're using a pomade, because everybody knows people can go really heavy on the pomade. I know I did when I first started. So here I'm using a little bit of that concealer, the NC25, and I'm just placing it on my brow. And as you can see, I'm like taking my time, don't want to mess up, because if I mess up I will cry. Eyebrows are really important to me, guys. So here I'm just taking my time, blending it downwards, making it look as natural as possible, but you know, still make it look like I have kind of a filled in brow and like a natural one. So here I'm taking a little bit on the ends of the eyebrow, just because I said my hairs are really wild down there. Like, they will go all over the place. It'll make me look like my brow is thicker in the back than in the front, and it's not a very nice combination. Then I'm going to be blending it out with the beauty blender, because you know, you want to blend it out. You don't want to leave it like that. That's going to be horrible if you leave it like that. Plus you could always tell if you don't blend it out. So that is what I'm doing here, blending. For the eyes, I'm going to be taking the Just Peachy Matte by Too Faced, and I'm going to be taking this pink color first. I'm going to be using it to apply it on the crease and just really blend it outwards, because I want all the colors to blend out. Then I'm taking this color right here, which is more of a pink color. I don't know, do you see a theme going on? I mean, it is going to be Valentine's Day, girls, so I wanted to keep it very pinky and softy. So here I'm just using this color to define the crease a little bit more, and yes, you guessed it, we are gonna go even darker. So then I'm gonna be taking this color, which is kind of like a burgundy color. Most likely it's not like pink, it's more, has more of a purple tone, kind of looks like wine to me. So I'm just going to be applying this in the crease, and this is going to be the deepest color we apply, so make sure that you really apply it on the crease and kind of focus it on there so that it looks like we have more of a defined eye, and that's where our crease is. Yeah, I'm making a lot of sense. So that's what I am doing there. And then I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty palette, which honestly, I love this color that I'm taking here because it's kind of like the perfect pink champagne color ever. However, I hate that I have to apply it with my eye. I've tried it with the brush. I've tried it with a wet brush. Nothing works better than my freaking damn finger. I do have nails on, so it's super hard for me to apply it, but I did try my best and it came out super cute. Here I'm just applying a little bit of mascara because we are going to be applying these lashes that I have on. By the way, everybody always asks me what lashes these are, and these are the by LASHXO in the style STARLA. My favorite. I think I wear them in every freaking tutorial, but they are honestly my favorite. They just make everything look so flirty and dramatic and amazing. I just love them too much. Then I'm taking this color right here, which is more of a red color, and just applying it on the bottom lash line. It didn't really make much of a difference. It kind of blended with all the colors out in the top. So here I'm just applying a little bit of mascara. I don't want to put a lot on the bottom, girls, because again, this is a very soft girly look. So here I'm just using this lip liner in the color Spice, and it is by Rimmel. I don't know how to pronounce that. But here I'm just lining my lips, and honestly, this is all I use for my lips. Only the lip liner. I know I'm so bad with lips. I know, like, I need to get with it. But I just really felt like the liner did it. Like, I didn't need anything else, so I just loved how it mixed. Here I'm taking this glow kit by Anastasia and mixing those two highlighters just to give me like the perfect one. I do feel like if I just wear the bottom one by itself, it's a little bit too dark on my skin tone, so I do have to mix it in with the white one. So I'm so glad they included a white highlighter in there. Super glowy. Oh my god, the white highlighter in the inner corner, super amazing. I just really love the finish look. I feel like it looks super girly, super amazing. So yeah, this is the final look, girl.
So that was the makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Tell me what you think down below. This makeup tutorial is very soft. It's really like, it was a little hard for me to film for you guys. As you can see, my eyebrow is not like super bold. Nothing's really like over the board. It's like super soft, but I do like how it turned out. I think it's super cute and flirty. So let me know down below what you guys think of it, and I'll see you guys here in the next video. Bye.